all, welcome to Stockers Learn and Earn YouTube channel. So let's start with market analysis for tomorrow. So we are starting with Nifty 50 index in 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, today there was a gap up opening, and we can also call it as a runaway gap. So because there was an uptrend, there was a gap, and then there was a continuation of the uptrend. So as you can see, the movement of the market happened in a consolidation range, in a range bound. So today market was in a side bound range movement. So I have made the resistance line to the high of today's market and the low as support line of today's market. So as you can see here, you're observing morning star, so it indicates that there could be the reversal of trend happening, there could be an uptrend. So in case it goes in an uptrend, and if it breaks this resistance line, this will be my target. And in case it falls back here to the support line, and if it breaks the support line, this will be my target. So now let's go to the second one, Nifty Bank Index in 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, here this also opened with a gap up opening, but it filled the gap later on towards the end of the day. So this is the exhaustion gap or gap filling. Now let's analyze the market. So today, as you can see, this also happened within a consolidation range. So I've marked the high and low of today's market. So as you can see, there is a hammer being formed here, so which indicates the strength of the buyers. So buyers are also trying to put pressure here. So if it happens an uptrend tomorrow, and if it crosses this resistance line, this will be my target. And in case it just breaks this support line, this will be my target. And going to the analysis of stocks, so we are going to the first stock, that is a Power Grid Corporation Limited. So the pattern here, as you're observing, this is a double bottom pattern here, as you can see here. So I've just taken the support line little down, considering the previous past readings too. So just considering all these touches of the previous candlesticks. So here, as you can see, this is a double bottom pattern, so it is expected to go upwards. So in case it breaks this resistance line and it starts going up, I make an entry here, and this will be my target. In case it doesn't happen so, and if it comes back and takes support here, and if it breaks this support here, so this will be my target. So this is a double bottom pattern observed in Power Grid Corporation Limited. Next we will be going to Motherson Sumi Systems Limited. So as you can see, there are almost two patterns observed here. The first is inverted flag and pole pattern, and the second pattern, the happening pattern, is double top pattern. So according to this, it is expected that the market will come down here, so and it starts going to downtrend. But since the market is here and this has happened within just a consolidation range, within just this range, so this being the high and this being the low, so considering this, if it goes instead of going to the neckline and breaking this neckline and making a target here, in case it goes back to this resistance line, and if it is breaking this resistance line, this will be the target. If it is coming down and following the double top pattern, this will be the entry, and this will be the target. But as you can see, you're observing morning star pattern here. So in this case, it is expected to move up. So in both cases, if it is moving up according to this morning star pattern, and also if it is coming down to follow double top pattern, so we are ready either for buying or selling. And next we will be going to Titan Company Limited. So analyzing with this stocks, so as you can see there are almost 3 patterns formed here, flag and pole pattern, and the movement has happened within a fixed consolidation range. That is, the high is almost fixed here, the low is almost fixed here, and the stock is not moved either up or down, and it is just moved in a consolidation range. And also you can observe there is triple top pattern already formed, and it is already the pattern has finished, so we'll be neglecting that, and we'll be going to the double bottom pattern. So as you can see here and here, the double bottom pattern is formed. So according to this, if it is going back and if it is breaking this line, so we'll be making a target here. So as you can see, this is also a flag and pole pattern, so we are having 2 entries. So if it is crossing this resistance, and if it is breaking this resistance line, this will be the target, and if it is breaking this support line, this will be the target. So as you're also observing, you're seeing a hammer here, so which indicates that the buyers are also trying to put equal amount of pressure, and they are trying to take control of the market here, so it indicates the buyer's strength. But at the end here, as you can see, there's a dragonfly doji is formed here, so it's like both buyers and sellers are almost giving equal pressure, and there's confusion in the market as to who will take the control of the market. So based on tomorrow's market movement, so we'll be either going for selling or buying the stocks. And then going to the next one, that is the Tech Mahindra Limited. So here too again you can observe 3 patterns formed here, flag and pole pattern, and there's also like a triple top pattern formed, but this pattern is already formed, so we'll be neglecting it. And there is a double bottom pattern formed here, so it is in the formation of double bottom pattern. So in case it breaks this, and if it is forming a double bottom pattern, so we'll be seeing an upward trend. So as you can see, I've taken the line here, this is the support line, and this will be the resistance line. So based on the previous movement too, this will be the I think we can also go for, in this case, so I would be moving my, so it is also taking support at, it is giving a confirmation of few more touches of the candlesticks too. So here in this case, if this is so there will be actually 2 entries here. If it is breaking here, this will be the target, and if it is breaking a support line here, this will be the target. So just need to confirm the, yeah, this is 0.98% off. So since I shifted the resistance line, so I'll also be shifting this. So yeah, this is 0.8%. So initially we'll be keeping the profit ratio to 0.8%. Yeah, so this is also done. So based on tomorrow's market movement, we'll be going for either buying or selling of the stocks. So here also, as you can see, the market has moved in a consolidation. Most of the markets today have moved in a consolidation, or a side range movement has happened. So we will see how the market goes on tomorrow. Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much.